Hello, Internet. This is the world famous St. Martin Raceway of Reggie Corram, world famous slot car racer. I am down here to do a little bit of repair work on this track. It was damaged in a hurricane in St. Martin. That's a surprise. And it was fixed by a friend of Reggie's. They actually had to rebuild the whole main straight. And the guy did a pretty good job. In fact, I'd give him an A for that, especially since the whole thing was destroyed. At any rate, the problem area that I'm going to work on is the donut and the overbridge. There are some bumps that you can see that need to be sanded out. And by sanding it out, it means we're going to have to tear the braid off and recut the reliefs and rebraid. Probably all the way across the bridge to here. But really, for going through a hurricane, after the repairs, it's still in pretty good shape. One of the big problems with water damaged MDF tracks, you can just see that bump there in the middle. That's water getting in down through the slot, and then it works its way into the MDF and causes bumps. The funny thing is, usually these bumps, if you don't do anything to them, they will go back down. But in this case, they didn't for some reason. Don't really know why. We are going to try a few things, because really, there'll be a bump here and there that doesn't really affect the track, because basically slot cars are no different than real cars. In between the wheels, there's gaps where they can go over bumps. So you have cosmetic problems and not problems that actually affect the racers. Like you can see, I've got the sun shining on this one little bump here. That doesn't upset a car. But I've thought of a way that maybe we can work these bumps out. So we'll give that a try too. At any rate, I'll make another video after I've got it all repainted, or the part of it that I'm going to repaint. Okay, thanks for watching.